Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today I've got my freaking awesome brother-in-law with me, and he has agreed to let me do a glitter beard on him. And it was actually kind of your idea, right?
I guess. I don't know.
I personally have always wanted to do this, and he's the kind of person that's always willing to volunteer as tribute. So you gotta love him for that. Y'all give him a big thumbs up for being here and letting me express my creative ways. So we have got a drawer full of glitters, and I think the way that I'm going to do this is to take some hair gel, and y'all know if you've ever used this stuff, this style, he's going to be able to wear it the rest of the week if he chooses to. So we've got this. I'm going to mix it on this little tray right here. If you guys have never seen these, you can get them really cheap on Amazon, or you can get them at Walmart in like the craft supply section. But this is just going to help keep the colors kind of divided, a little bit of organized chaos for you. Are you nervous?
No.
Never nervous. So I'm just going to take some hair gel. What colors you want?
I don't care.
Well, Valentine's Day is coming up. We will do some pink, purple, and red. How does that sound? We're going to do some pink, purple, and red.
I think blonde is super glue.
It's pretty much what it is. Ooh, that was so pretty. Oh my god. So here is what our concoction is looking like so far. And I'm just going to use the end of a brush. Oh my god, she's thick.
Looks like a big giant booger.
Ew, it does, a glitter booger. So we're going to try all three colors, but if I can't get the purple to show up, we're just going to go with red and pink stripes. Alright. Oh, is it cold? This is the best. Ah, there we go. We'll go sideways.
You can see the glitter better right there, too.
Yeah.
Really let this stuff stiffens up quick.
You've never looked better. You can thank me later. I'm gonna base it off of like where your mustache ends on that side.
I always gotta get it with something too.
Oh, I know. I'm just trying to figure out
I
what.
forgot about that.
This is super cold.
Pretty cool. Feels like a layer of concrete all over.
It's why it's so good for my head. Now look at
Yeah, it
that.
definitely popped up a lot better.
Alright, now for the mustache, should we just go red? Or maybe we can mix all three colors? Can you put it in a big pile? I don't know. You messed up my creation. It's gonna look like the grossest color ever.
Might could throw something else in there and spruce it up a little.
It really does look like poo. It's Cupid's pooping.
Just throw them all in.
What hurt? Ready? I want to stop smiling. Stop smiling.
Look what done. Are you ready?
Oh, you can see the colors. There's so many. You should do your eyebrows.
Hey, you out there? Hey,
Oh.
Watch out. I hope anyway.
Oh yeah, it's just hair gel. And inside it's like coming on up.
I can feel it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to roll this one up by your nose. He's the devil. So you say yes to brows? Or no?
I don't care.
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I just don't know.
Don't know about what?
About overkill.
Do we need a consultation here? Or a consultation?
Yeah. Do we do brows or no?
Oh my gosh.
I can't tell. Should we do brows the same as the mustache, or do we just leave it alone?
I don't know. Either that or draw them on.
Brows? So he needs brows.
I think you should fill them in like my shape them.
You can definitely tell the difference on the camera.
Before and after. Come see me and I can fix you up. Oh gosh. Oh no.
Quit! Oh, there you go. Oh!
Oh god. Sideburns. We didn't do a sideburn. Alright, you guys, as you can see, he looks so much better now. He's just so much more handsome. And everybody should be totally jealous because, like, look at that sparkle. Like, come on, guys. So, if you ever need a model, hit this guy up. And if you ever need some glitter in your life, I got your back. I got you, girl. But, yeah. So, that's all for this one, guys. Thank you so much, as always, for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. It always be you. See you later.
Bye.